by Anuja or APCSE Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. GPS stands for Global Positioning System and they are now used throughout the world. A GPS unit is actually a receiver that collects signals from the satellites. Global Positioning System satellite transmits signals to GPS receiver on the ground. Receivers require a clear view of sky, so they are only used outdoor and do not perform well in forest or near tall buildings. The GPS satellite has an atomic clock and sends a signal starting its location and the exact time. The satellite transmits at the same instant. The signals moves at the speed of light and arrive at the GPS receiver at slightly different times because some satellites are further away than others. The distance to the GPS satellites can be calculated by estimating the amount of time it takes for their signals to reach the receiver. When the receiver estimates the distance to at least 4 GPS satellites, it can calculate its position in latitude and longitude or height. So this is the sample GPS technology. Uses of GPS technology. It has many uses. First one is clock synchronization. The GPS time signals use highly accurate atomic clocks. Second one is disaster relief and emergency services. It depends upon GPS for location. The tracking a vehicle, person, pet and aircraft. To receivers provide continuous tracking and can provide an alert if the receiver leaves a set of area. Then geotagging. They apply location coordinates to digital objects such as photographs and other documents for purpose such as creating map overlays. Bus tour commentary. Your location will be determined what information is displayed about approaching point of interest. Bus stop to show how long the bus will take to arrive at the bus stop. Navigation. The device uses voice activation to describe a preferred route based on the position of the receiver, the position of the destination and the street map. The personal locator beacons. It is used to inform search and rescue authorities of your exact location in the event of an emergency. Recreation. Here we are using geocaching and waymarking. The surveying. Surveys use absolute location to make map and determine property boundaries. Then tectonics enable fault motion measurement in a earthquake. Then GIS. Maps have come a long way since people first began drawing to show where they were. Modern maps are created using special software that combines lots of different sorts of information. This system of modern mapping is called GIS, Geographic Information System. It is used by organizations such as city councils that need access to data and need to be able to combine different data sets together. GIS gives people in these organizations graphical representation of data that allows them to analyze the situation, write reports, track changes, make decisions and plan for the future. For example, which part of the high country have undergone the temperature review. GIS require 4 things. One is people. People who use GIS are professionals who have been educated to use GIS and have made a career out of working with GIS. Then data, geospatial information, where things are located and the detail of objects such as the services, roads, buildings, etc. are collected and entered into the GIS software. Next one is software. GIS software analyzes data and presents it in different combinations for the user. Then hardware. It includes handheld devices for collecting data and computers with GIS software. The data contained in the GIS system is stored in a set of data called dataset. In a database, the dataset can be selected, combined and presented as different layers. So this is a sample diagram for GPS to GIS data transfer. Thank you.